What's the meaning of ad hominem? Ad hominem. Ad hominem. Ad hominem. Ad hominem. Ad hominem. The term ad hominem refers to a logical fallacy where someone attacks the character or personal traits of their opponent rather than addressing their arguments directly. This type of argumentative strategy is considered fallacious because it does not actually address the merits or flaws of the argument itself, but rather attempts to discredit the person making the argument. The result of using ad hominem attacks can be detrimental to the overall discourse, as it can lead to personal attacks and hostility instead of constructive dialogue. It is important to recognize when ad hominem attacks are being employed and to avoid using them oneself in order to maintain respectful and productive conversations.